So this is the second project I made. It's just like a little half section of a house here. It's made to represent a balloon frame construction. As you can see here, this is representing a stud channel where it actually comes up. Say this is a basement here. If a basement fire were to happen, it could happen here, and through the void spaces travel up through the stud channel and come up into an upper floor or attic, and just be an unseen fire. And so, you know, you could go in and try to start fight a basement fire, and meanwhile, unbeknownst to anybody, it could travel up. And we have a little smoke machine here, and this is just to demonstrate how the smoke can travel through a void space without anybody knowing. So you can see here, we have this box here. It's coming, the smoke's coming up through the box, and then up through this channel here. You can see that the floor, this is the basement here. This floor is blocked from any fire coming up through, but the stud channel, it's coming up here and up into this attic space here, and that shows how fire can travel through a void space, especially in balloon frame construction, and up into the top. And then we want to be good firefighters if we didn't actually light it on fire, so we got to do that now. Need a little help from the torch.
Yeah, you got good smoke up on the second floor, and like now, but now you got fire in your first initial compartment.
Now it's coming back down. But you can still see smoke is coming up through this channel here and going into the top floor. All right, well, that's the presentation. Thanks.